How to fix Nike Run Club application not working. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can fix if your Nike Run app or Nike Run Club application is not working properly. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. The first and foremost thing, you have to make sure that if the application is up to date to its latest version or not. So to check for the available update, you have to open up the Play Store. After that, tap on the search icon from the bottom right corner and in the search bar, search for Nike Run Club app. Search for it. Then tap on the application. If you find update button there, that means the application needs to be updated. Tap on update. Once the application is updated, you can close this and open up the application and check whether if the problem is solved or not. If still not, the second thing you have to do is to clear cache and data. For that, navigate to the application in a mobile device, tap and hold on it. Tap on app info, then tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear cache. Clearing the cache will remove the glitches and temporary file of the application from your device. That's gonna help you solve your problem. Once you have done that, now you can close this, open up the application and check if the problem is now working properly or not. If still not, the last thing you can do is to delete or uninstall the application from your mobile device and reinstall it back from the Google Play Store. To do that, open up the application or navigate to the application. Tap and hold on it, tap on app info, then tap on uninstall. From here, tap on OK. Once you have deleted the application, all you need to do is open up Play Store, search for the application and reinstall, open up the application, log into your account and your application will work properly now. So that's the way to fix if your application does not work properly, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.